ABC Weather Lab. Here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, the rain's ending. It looks like the sun returns tomorrow afternoon. We have about a 48-hour period before more rain comes in Wednesday night, but it should be out of here for Thanksgiving. We'll have more on that in just a bit. Elsewhere, just a brief update. What's happening in the northeast and the Midwest? Very cold air heading for the northeast. For the Macy's Day Parade, temperatures will start out in the low to mid 20s, top out in the upper 20s, and wind chills 9 to 17 degrees. In spite of sunny skies, there's going to be a stiff north wind, so the floats are going to have to be low. Maybe some of them don't float, but we'll have to wait and see. And good luck to the Lafayette Band playing up there. Meanwhile, back to the west, we have a winter storm watch in effect for the Sierra Nevada. We're going to talk more about that. Some much needed rain on the way, but maybe too much in spots, and snow at elevation, obviously. Locally here, no snow. We don't have the elevation. We have just some relief of about 30 to 50 feet up from the Gulf of Mexico from Lafayette on northward, and just plain old rain moving across the area. But the rain's beginning to come to an end across the region. Heaviest stuff, and still some pretty soaking rains down toward Pecan Island and into St. Mary Parish. But you can see the general trend is for lighter stuff. This is a 6-hour loop that we have going here. So it's been a rainy night. Still some precipitation, heaviest of which, as we indicated, down along the coast, moving into St. Mary. But it should all be ending here probably after midnight, closer to 2 or 3 o'clock in the morning. Elsewhere, spotty light showers, misty drizzle as well. That's going to continue for several hours more up until about 3 a.m. and then things will begin to dry out as drier air and cooler air moves in. So here we are at midnight, still kind of wet on the predictive radar. Iberia into St. Mary Parish till about 2 a.m. Then things do quiet down. And as we get closer to daybreak, just some lingering clouds in the mix. Futurecast indicating much the same. That frontal boundary working its way into the Gulf. We start off mostly cloudy and cool. A little bit of a wind chill out there tomorrow morning, so it's certainly going to feel like fall, maybe almost winter, but we warm up, the sun comes out, the clouds thin out right around lunchtime, and we should have a lovely afternoon, albeit cool, with temperatures in the upper 50s to lower 60s. Then as we head into tomorrow night, that's when we're going to see the chilliest temperatures down to near 40, mid to upper 30s to the north. We'll get to the detailed numbers in just a bit. Mostly sunny early Wednesday, but clouds coming back in ahead of the next weather system that's going to bring us mostly light rain as we head into late Wednesday night, early Thursday morning. So here we are at midnight. You're throwing the bird in the oven. It looks like the rain is going to be done with come Thursday morning, and not a bad looking Thursday, although it will be partly to mostly cloudy. Temperatures should be in the 60s, low to mid 60s. Then as we head into Friday, we have a wet weather system on the way. So all you shoppers who are going out to the physical box stores, make sure you bring the rain gear if you're heading out Thursday night into Friday. Probably won't need it, but you will need it during the day, Friday into Friday afternoon. Maybe some thunder here, and the European model has the low going right over Acadiana, so there might even be a slim severe weather threat, although the Storm Prediction Center is not predicting that right now. Going into the weekend, return plans from New York. Well, rain's going to be moving in late there, and then a nice little winter snowstorm developing across the nation's midsection as we head into Sunday. So folks going up to Colorado, do some skiing up there. There could be some issues. And then in the west, more rain and snow likely here over the next 10 days. In fact, watch how the precipitation piles up across California, snow at elevation, and heavy rainfall. And those northern fires in those rain-scarred areas may have major mudslide problems. So it continues to be problematic for our friends in California, although it does look like the heaviest of rains will be done, the worst of the fires, rather, will be over with over the next few days. Temperature-wise, in the mid-40s, lower 40s off to the north by morning will favor mid to upper 40s I-10 corridor, and much the same along the coast. And then after that chilly start, we'll get into the upper 50s to lower 60s tomorrow afternoon. Coolest temperatures coming in tomorrow night, with readings getting down into the mid to upper 30s north, just above the frost zone, we think, and lower 40s I-10 corridor. So rain gradually tapering off to drizzle and mist, breezy cooler later on tonight, 49 your low. Tomorrow, breezy and cool. The sun comes back out tomorrow afternoon, so that will be a welcome sight. And partly sunny skies for Wednesday as well. That rain coming in Wednesday night shouldn't be much, but Friday setting up for a soaking wet day, especially in the afternoon with rain and storms. The weekend, not too bad. How about 70s for highs before a nice chill down should come in next week, but the model's at odds on how cool we may get.
All right. Thanks, Rob.